In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quit Skype. Whether you're using Skype for work, staying in touch with family, or for online meetings, there might come a time when you need a quick break or decide to quit the application for the day. In this short guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps to do just that, ensuring you know how to exit Skype smoothly, especially when it's running in a web browser. First things first, let's head over to the Skype website. You can do this by opening up your preferred web browser and typing in the web address for Skype's. Once you're there, look for the option that says Open Skype in Browser. It's crucial for those of you who might not want to use the desktop application, or perhaps you're on a computer where you can't install software. Using the browser version is a perfect workaround. When you click Open Skype in Browser, you may be prompted to sign in. This is standard procedure. Simply enter your Skype account details to access your account. If you're already signed in, you might be taken directly to your Skype dashboard. This is where all your contacts, recent conversations and calls are located. The interface is user-friendly and navigating through it should be relatively straightforward. Now let's say you've finished your call or you're done catching up with your contacts and you're ready to quit Skype. The beauty of using Skype in a web browser is the simplicity of closing it down. You may not realize it initially, but there's no need for a logout or quit button as you might expect with the desktop application. Instead, you can simply close the tab or even the whole browser if that's the only thing you were doing. Just click on the SX at the top of your browser tab or window, and voila, Skype is closed. Here's a little tip. Ensure you've completed all your important conversations and saved any necessary information before closing Skype. While closing the browser or tab effectively quits Skype, it also means any unsaved work or ongoing calls will be ended abruptly. And that's all there is to it. Quitting Skype when running it in a browser is as straightforward as closing the browser tab. No fuss, no complicated procedures. This method works great for those who use Skype occasionally, or if you're logging in from a public or shared computer where you don't want to leave any personal information behind. Remember, staying in control of how and when you use applications like Skype is crucial in managing your online presence and digital life effectively. With this simple guide, you'll be able to hop in for a quick video call with friends or colleagues and then exit smoothly once you're done, keeping your workflow or personal time as uninterrupted as possible. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Be sure to practice this simple step a couple of times to get the hang of it, and soon managing your Skype sessions will be second nature. See you in the next video for more helpful tips and tricks. And